In this course, I will going to teach you how you can create digital marketing agency website. Now to create this website, we will going to use WordPress. Now to make this website, we have used all the free resources like free plugins, themes. So in simple, we will only going to use free themes and plugins and other resources to make this website. And now whatever resources and images and videos which you are seeing in this website, I will going to provide you those resources for absolutely free, so you can also use that resources in your website too. Also, this website is completely responsive in mobile, desktop and tablet. Now you can see this is arrow, so when you will click on this arrow, you will come to very top of the website. Now here at very top, you can see that we have put our social icon. So for example, if a customer click any of the logo, they will go to your social platform. I will teach you how you can put the social platform to your website. So for example, if he click on YouTube, he will go to your YouTube channel. Similarly, they can call you, they can email you. Here it will show your address where your agency is located. Here at very top left side, it will show the logo. Then it will show your header menu. So first will be the home section, second will be the blog section. So when someone will click on blog, they can see all the blogs you have in the website. So this is just a demo blog, but I will teach you how you can put and write blogs in your website. So along with creating digital marketing agency website, I will also going to provide you resources to write a perfect article or blog for your website, so you can get free traffic from search engine like Google, Yahoo. Okay, then is the our services section. So here you can list all the services which you will going to provide. So in this website, you can see we have put the content marketing, social marketing, app development, web development, PPC advertising, SEO optimization. So similarly, you can put all your services which you want to provide to your clients in your digital marketing agency. Then is the about us section where people can learn about your agency. And here you can see in the blog we have this search bar, so people can search anything they want. And then social platform, then subscribe to newsletter. Here we will teach you how you can put your forms. Okay, now the contact us, so people can contact you if they want any services from your website. So here you can provide them support. Here you can list all the services which you provide. And here we have this email section. So when your clients will going to click here, it will automatically going to open their email, and your clients can send you email if they have any questions. Okay, and here we have this graph where you can show your clients where your agency is located. Also at very bottom, you can provide them the FAQ sections like, do you provide meeting, what if I am not satisfied with your service, how I make payment. And similarly, you can write more such questions which your client generally asks you. So that is called as frequently asked questions. Okay, so in case if your client have any questions, so they can see your FAQ and they can get instant answer. Okay, then if your customers again want to go to your website homepage, so they can simply click here, or if they will click on the logo, they will go to the homepage of your website. So here you can see we have provided you this image, so you can also put your image here. You can put this text. Of course, this website is totally customizable. You can customize it however you want to. You can change the color and everything. I will going to teach you each and everything so that you can learn and you can use your creative to make this website more adorable and more attractive. Okay, then scroll up. Here we have about us. So here you can provide the short description. When people will click on learn more, they will go to your about us page. Similarly, you have our services section. So when someone will click on our services, they will go to your our services page where you can tell your customers more about your services which you will going to provide them. Okay, then you have our benefit section. Then you have your short benefit section. Then you have this professional team section where you will show the important members who work in your digital marketing agency. You can also provide your members social platform link here. And then we have testimonials where you can provide your clients reviews and ratings. Okay, then you have your blog sections. Then you have this footer where you will provide a keep in touch and useful links, subscribe to newsletter form, your logo, a short description, and at very bottom you can provide your about us, contact us, FAQ, our services, terms and condition, privacy policy, links, and of course your copyright trademark. Okay, so this is a website we will going to create inside this course. So if you are also interested, so you can take this course and you can learn to create this amazing digital marketing agency website. Also, as I have said you that this website is 100% customizable. You do not require any coding. You just need to do drag and drop and you can create this website. Also, this website is 100% responsive in your desktop, tablet and mobile. So if you are interested, you can take this course. I will see you guys inside this course. Bye bye.